Alright, if you've ever wondered which Amazon products are actually in high demand and worth promoting as an affiliate, today's video is going to be a game changer. Because I'm going to show you how to uncover profitable products on Amazon using a tool that doesn't just give you ideas, it actually does the research for you. That tool is BrowserAgent, the first AI-powered browser worker that literally clicks, scrolls, and researches websites like a human assistant. And yes, it works on Amazon too. So if you're into affiliate marketing and want to catch the next big wave before competitors do, stick around. Here's the truth. Finding high-demand products on Amazon manually is exhausting. You open dozens of tabs, check reviews, compare prices, track ratings, and try to guess which items are actually selling. By the time you finish, the trend might already be gone. Most affiliates quit because it feels like searching for a needle in a haystack. But what if you had an AI assistant that could do all that boring browser work for you while you sleep, while you work, or while you binge Netflix? That's exactly what BrowserAgent does. Unlike chatbots or scrapers that break when a site changes, BrowserAgent opens a real browser in the cloud and interacts with Amazon like a human. It clicks through product pages, pulls reviews, checks order counts, analyzes ratings, and organizes all the data into neat spreadsheets you can actually use. Think of it as hiring a virtual employee who never gets tired, never asks for a raise, and never misses a trend. Here's how simple it is. Type the task. You tell BrowserAgent what you want, like find Amazon products with over 1,000 reviews and trending sales in the last 30 days. AI goes to work. It opens Amazon, navigates categories, clicks listings, and pulls the data. Watch it live. You can literally see the AI moving the cursor, scrolling, and scraping in real time. Get the results. In minutes, you've got a spreadsheet of high-demand products, complete with reviews, ratings, and pricing. No guesswork, no wasted hours, just actionable product intelligence. Catch trends early, spot products before competitors flood the market, save hours, let AI handle the repetitive research while you focus on marketing and sales. Scale faster. Run missions daily so you always have fresh product ideas. Commercial rights included. Every report BrowserAgent generates is yours to use in affiliate campaigns. Imagine turning those spreadsheets into winning product reviews, comparison blogs, or YouTube videos that drive affiliate commissions day after day. Agencies, freelancers, and side hustlers are already using BrowserAgent to run local SEO audits, build lead lists, and automate outreach. Now affiliate marketers are realizing it's a goldmine for product research. Instead of wasting hours scrolling through Amazon, BrowserAgent does it automatically faster, cheaper, and more reliable. So if you're serious about identifying high-demand Amazon products for affiliate marketing, don't waste another week guessing. Let BrowserAgent do the heavy lifting. Click the link in the description to grab BrowserAgent today. It's currently available for a one-time price, no monthly fees, and it comes loaded with 50+ ready-made missions you can run instantly. Remember, trends don't wait. The faster you spot them, the faster you profit. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI-powered affiliate marketing hacks, and drop a comment below telling me which Amazon niche you're most excited to explore. Until next time, keep innovating, keep automating, and let AI do the boring work while you focus on building your business. See you in the next video.